In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Snapchat on your Windows computer or laptop. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, all you need to do is to go to your computer and then head down here and you'll see this Microsoft Store icon. So if you go ahead and click on it, you will get to Microsoft Store. From here, go ahead and create a free account. And once you have created your account, you'll be now able to search for any app and then download it. Now for our case, we want to download Snapchat and it is here. To download this, if you can't find it here, just go ahead and search it using the search function that is on top here. So I'll go ahead and search it and here it is. I'll go ahead and click on it. And now we can download it from here. To get this Snapchat app on your computer, go ahead and click on Get. And this will proceed and download the app on your computer. Once the download is done, now you can proceed and click on Open to launch your app. Now to get your app always on your computer or have a shortcut, go to Start menu here. And from here you can see Snapchat is among the recently added apps. To pin it to Start menu, just right click on it and you'll see this option called Pin to Start and your Snapchat will be added to your Start menu. So that's how you download and install Snapchat on your PC. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.